Hello everyone and welcome to this video on how to change your name in Monopoly Go. So this will be your username in the game. So let's get to it. So we are going to start by going to the top right corner and pressing on the three horizontal lines. As you can see, this brings up our menu. So we've got, you can shop, your net worth, your showroom, daily treats, etc. But we want to click on the top as we are wanting to change our username. So we'll click on the top and there you go. You can see that we can change our avatar by scrolling down. There's lots of different options, but that isn't the topic of the video. So we're going to change the name by pressing on the pencil button here. So here you can see it says minimum of 3 characters. So you can type in the name that you want to, which I would say hello, and then you would press submit and that would change your name for you. I don't actually want to do that. I'm happy keeping my name so that my friends and family can recognize me in the game. So there we have it, guys. Really simple video on how to change your name in Monopoly Go. If you can hit the like and subscribe button, it really helps our channel and we appreciate it so much. Thanks so much for watching and we will see you in the next video.